Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on the Dasher app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your profile picture on the Dasher app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click on the three lines on the top left-hand corner. Afterwards, click on Account, then click on Profile, then click on Edit Profile. And then on the top-hand side, you're going to see your profile picture with a pencil icon to it. So click on the pencil icon, and then with that, enter your new photo, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your profile picture on the Dasher app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.